At the doctor's.
Hi, my name is John Burke. I have an appointment to see Dr. Gray.
Of course. Please take a seat, Mr. Burke. The doctor will see you soon. Mr. Burke, the doctor will see you now.
Great. Thanks.
What seems to be the trouble, Mr. Burke?
I feel terrible. My body aches. I have a runny nose and a bad cough.
I see. Yes, your temperature is very high, too. You have a fever. It looks like you have the flu. Do you have any allergies?
I don't think so.
Okay, great. I'm going to prescribe some medicine. Please take it twice every day. Once in the morning and once before bed. You should feel better in a few days.
Great. Thank you.